A magnitude 4.5 earthquake struck near Puerto Vallarta in the state of Jalisco, reported by Mexico's Servicio Sismológico Nacional. The quake occurred at night, with a shallow depth of about 10 kilometers. The epicenter was located approximately 344 kilometers southwest of Puerto Vallarta. At the same time, smaller tremors were reported in Tezistán, Jalisco, as part of regional seismic activity. Authorities are monitoring the situation closely. Thankfully, no major damage has been reported. Residents were rattled but safe. Local officials urge anyone who felt the quake to report it, stay alert for aftershocks, and check for any structural issues. Get our app for important weather updates.